Built a wall out of tall gray brick, and I grew up behind. Cigarette behind your back. You never wanted to make me sad, and not as happy as you and me. And Mama painted the front door blue, 'cause Mama wanted it to match her mood, and baby didn't know what to do when all that she knows became all that she knew. And all of the songs you sing, who are you singing them for? Who are you singing them for? Oh, oh, oh. And a house ain't a home no more with a blue front door, with a blue front door. Oh, oh, oh. You can't see the world from your yellow swing set. So many things that you haven't seen yet. I got the end of the driveway blues. I never want to say goodbye to you, and it's so nice to be innocent. And Mama painted the front door blue, 'cause Mama wanted it to match her mood, and baby didn't know what to do when all that she knows became all that she knew. And all of the songs you sing, who are you singing them for? Who are you singing them for? Oh, oh, oh. And a house ain't a home no more with a blue front door, with a blue front door. Oh, oh, oh. And Mama painted the front door blue, 'cause Mama didn't know what else to do, and baby owes it all to you, 'cause all that she knows is now all that she knew. And all of the songs you sing, who are you singing them for? Who are you singing them for? Oh, oh, oh.